In this video, we're going to look at how to do composition of functions. Composition of functions is when you use one function inside of another. So you can see here we have the function g of x. G of x equals 2x, and we have the function h of x, which equals x squared plus 4. So if you look at this notation, this is g of h of x. And so what that means is we're going to rewrite this. So what I'm looking for is my function g is my first function. So that's g of h of x. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this notation to this notation so that it's just a little easier for me to see. So if you notice, here is my x. I'm going to be replacing my x with the function h of x. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to take my g of x function, which is 2, and then wherever I have an x, I'm going to put a parentheses and hold open a space. So my 2x becomes 2 parentheses with a big hole. In this big hole, I'm going to stuff my h of x. So my h of x is x squared plus 4. So that gets put in here. 2x plus 4. That gets stuffed inside. So that's, I've just set up my g of h of x. This is what that is. So now, if I want, I can multiply and simplify. So this gets distributed in. So that gives me 2x squared plus 8. So that's what g of h of x is. That's what that equals. So let's do it the other way. So notice that my first function is my primary function. For here, my main function was g because that's what I saw first. So I looked at my g of x function first. Here, my h function is first, which is this one here. So that means I'm going to have x squared, but instead of writing x, I'm going to do big parentheses because that's what I'm going to shove inside my function right there. So this is x squared, big space squared, plus 4. So what I'm putting inside is my g function, which is right here, which is 2x. So that means that if I square all of this, that gives me 4x squared plus 4. And that was the same as my h of g of x. Okay? So I'm done. That's all you need to do.